Good jovaunny.
Boy, what time to take pictures of me? Get the fuck out of here. You funny. You a predator, my nigga.
Love booty.
No, what the fuck?
This a video.
I can tell you.
Making French toast on the late night.
It's not French toast, it's just toast.
Toast,
With
wherever
the
it
jelly
is.
and the butter.
Toast, whatever it is. I don't know what time it is.
But you know your hair look raw, cause who did it? I did it.
Yeah, she did it. Her bread wasn't even done. What are those?
Why is closing by itself?
What the fuck? I got that on video.
I'm scared.
I don't know what the fuck going on. She's scared of the movie now.
It's scary. And that door just closed by itself. And I don't play this game.
She's scary.
Buttered toast. I do this the best.
The Smucker's joint.
Look, this is what you do. You butter your bread, right? Then you put it back in there. Just to give it that buttery flavor. I'm trying to show people how to make good toast.
11 o'clock. She up making toast.
Then once it's all buttered, you see, you put it back in there. See how that's already melting? It shouldn't be like this when you're eating it. You put it back in there for 2 seconds. Just so the butter can melt.